another video, and today today is gonna be part 3 of an unblocked games website tutorial. I'm sorry, I'm kind of sick right now. Okay, so now we're back into here. Let me just go back to there. Okay, so this tutorial is gonna be about the other methods that I did not mention and movies. Okay. So, first thing you probably want to do is make a menu section called Movies, because that's where we're going to store it. Next thing you probably want to do is get your movie. So find somewhere that lets you download movies. Download. It's okay. It's not a virus, bro. I have no affiliation. If this is only for educational purpose. This is for educational purposes. I am not held accountable if you get arrested for piracy. I'm just joking. Ow. Okay. Anyways, so this is about to finish. Okay, I'm waiting for this. Okay, it finished. So, go to your drive. If you don't have one, just look up Google Drive. Go to File Upload. Click on your movie, and wait for it to upload. I'll just cut when it uploads. Alright, I'm back. It should be done now. Okay, it is. So once it's done, you want to go to your website, and you want to make, you could do the new page, but I like to do full page embed, so the movie covers the whole screen. Put in the name of your movie. In my case, it's Home Alone. Put it in the movies folder. Now you want to add from Drive. Go to Recent, and just click your movie, and then click Share. And now look, you have your movie. You could do the same method of how you add the games to make the movies. I don't know how to explain it. It will take a little bit for the movies to load. And also, I'll just give a little more. Ow. Okay. I'm gonna teach you also how to add flash games. It's basically the same of how to add just regular games. There's also apps, by the way. There's all of these. There's Ruffle. Okay, so I'll go. Some of these do not work, by the way. I'll do Balloons 1. See if that works. Copy your code, just like before. Go back to your website. I like to put Flash, and then put it in games. And then I go into full page embed and go BTD1. Oh, put in 2 accidentally. 1. Get embedded code. Next. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works. Good. And now you have your Flash game. One more thing. You can also add websites to your thing. Not that. Wait. Right here. copy this. I like to make a folder called Sites and go full page embed UGS. Put it in Sites and go there. And then you go embedded code, and then just insert it. And I have a website in your website. I'll tell you how to make a basic full screen button as well, which I didn't explain in the first or second tutorial. So get the, or wait, actually, ooh, I can't do that in this tutorial. Yeah, I can't do that here. So that's it for now. I'll just publish this, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.